One of the most important and most fun aspects of strategic workplace planning is consensus building. We work with clients who have multiple user groups and stakeholders, sometimes across different agencies. So we need to understand what's important to each different user group. What are their concerns? What do they need that is maybe different from what another user group needs, or sometimes even in opposition to what other user groups need? And then we facilitate conversations among the user groups so that they can get together and understand each other to build that collective empathy and trust, and then work as a team to come up with a set of solutions that will work for everyone. We do this by using a variety of tools to facilitate workshops with our clients. And of course, we've gotten really adept at doing those remotely, and then more recently in hybrid situations where we have some participants physically in a room together, but other participants are remotely participating, sometimes across different offices or even different time zones and countries. And it's not easy to do, but we can do it, especially if we have the right tools and we know how to use them. Our tools include everything from gaming exercises to empathy mapping to live feed data manipulation. Depending on the client and the project, we might organize people into groups and have them arrange game pieces on a board that represents their facilities. Or we might have them imagine a day in the life of their customer to identify challenges and opportunities. Once we've gathered enough data, we might present scenarios in order to explore how square footage might be arranged on a site or even within an existing or proposed building. The goal is to facilitate a process that is both fun and informative, because we know that when participants are having fun, they're more engaged in the process and they're ultimately more invested in the outcomes. This not only achieves consensus, but it provides better feedback mechanisms so that the client leadership can help guide their staff or their constituents through the upcoming change. You know, change can be troubling, and our goal with consensus building is to help our clients build a process that is as smooth and enjoyable as possible, because we know that that ultimately results in a more successful workplace.